100% on our way to the moon.
Moontrain's on point, we're in the groove, trading like a symphony.
The Dow is over $50,000. I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
We're on the moon train.
Then we watched you guys land on the moon.
This is how you become a day trader.
All right. I just sold some 7485s, I believe, right here. Bank of Japan put out some news report that said that things are not rising in price as fast as they had anticipated. Woohoo! Celebration. Anyways, took those in the dark side of the moon, and during full moon circle here. Rode them up. Got a nice little buffer. Nothing spectacular, but still paid 107%. So I don't know where you live if you feature time, but jump on the dark side tab if you're going to be playing overnight SPXs. There is a gap here now in futures, so we need to put an alert right there. You see there's a little gap. These future gaps usually fill pretty quick. Now if we are to trade higher tomorrow, and we do have a possible rally, this is our first spot, 75.17. That's a FOMC spot for SPX. Above that here, I don't foresee this going higher than that right now. Big picture, what I think is going on is this 4-hour setup here. It is almost identical to last time. If you notice, big red inside, and then it starts creeping up, and I would not be surprised if that is the target here for a 4-hour head and shoulder that then really cranks and shits the bed here. The latest here is that Iran wants a deal. I don't know if Iran knows that Iran has made a phone call or not. Remains to be seen. Okay. The NAMO came down pretty sharply yesterday. Let's see if it continues or if it bounces. We are still in this absolutely brutal range. Puts are very high though, as you notice, and we usually rally. We have possible rally tomorrow. I don't know if it's gonna be a sustainable move or not. Clearly they've now rotated out of Dow Jones. It is not cranking in new all-time highs. The Kospi is stable tonight. It is not down 85% again, so that's good. Tomorrow we have ECB minutes, we have jobs pre-market, some Fed speakers, some bogus data. That's going to be a big one. And then Friday, nothing. So we're completely at the mercy of the narrative, and the president lands early Thursday night around this time, and he's doing intelligence briefings and some signings and policy meetings tomorrow, so we might hear from him. I just rolled my 7485s up to 7440s on SPX, seeing if we get there. As far as individuals, again, it was sad that I wasn't in BABA, because that play was a 2000% play. I had taken some overnight, but I sold them into close, wanted more cash. Watching Meta, it dumped on opening a new data center in Canada. Let's see if we get going. And then also watching Michael Dell.
His name is actually Ren.
Okay, cool. See, you remembered. Good job, dude. Michael Dell should take out this high. Still has a 460 price target. Crypto names came back yesterday, pretty strong actually. And again, as I'm in the Friday QQQ 710s. the plan on them is to get this field here. I have for now abandoned the idea of getting all the way up here this week, but my price target is gonna be 722 on QQQ, and to ride I might even sell them here if we get there early enough, but anyways, to ride them in the money. I have them hedged, and then I got an SPX that I rolled out position, and I got some meta, and that's it. Plus my tech hedge is obviously Oxy. Where is it? Just because that paid 600 something percent and kind of saved me yesterday. But it's chugging along. I'm in the 56s here if shit hits the fan, which it can, but if they want to make a deal, I mean, I don't really understand what the point at this point with this whole thing is. So it's not like they're buying this little counter rally here on flow or dark pool very high, so I still think next week becomes really disgusting. As far as QQQ, I like that gap. You see there's a gap there? That's what I want. Okay? So, again, I want to go feel this gap here. If we can pull that off, you're still... You'll go feel that in, then you're probably going to puke. Okay? If it then picks up steam, it's going there. Alright guys, thank you a lot. God bless.
We're riding with the